Ever ponder the possibility of turning a small investment into millions? It may sound like a pipe dream to start a small business that uses minimal cash, yet generates significant profits. But in today's vibrant entrepreneurial environment, it is more feasible than ever. The idea that you need a sizable capital to establish a successful enterprise is being disproved in a world where innovation and imagination are the driving factors. So let's go out on a journey together to investigate a world of prospects that defy established business practices, where the correct idea, when combined with tenacity and clever execution, can open the door to financial success. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth channel for more informative videos. Tufting, a craft that seamlessly merges artistry and functionality, has been capturing the imagination of creators and enthusiasts alike for centuries. Rooted in ancient weaving traditions, tufting has evolved into a captivating technique that brings texture, depth, and dimension to various textiles. The process involves creating intricate patterns and designs by pulling loops of yarn or fabric through a backing material, often fabric or canvas, and securing them with knots. The result is a visually captivating piece that can range from plush rugs and intricately patterned tapestries to eye-catching upholstery on furniture and even clothing. Necessary capital to start with is about $1,000. What sets tufting apart is its ability to transform everyday materials into mesmerizing works of art, infusing spaces with a unique sense of character and warmth. Modern tufting artists are pushing the boundaries of this age-old practice, experimenting with colors, textures, and innovative materials to create pieces that transcend traditional norms. The tactile nature of tufting draws both artists and admirers into a world where every loop represents a stroke of creativity, carefully woven into a larger narrative. Digital sewing machines have revolutionized the art of sewing, bringing a perfect blend of technology and craftsmanship to the fingertips of enthusiasts and professionals alike. These innovative machines have seamlessly integrated computerized features into the time-honored craft of sewing, making it easier than ever to create intricate designs and precise stitches. With digital sewing machines, precision is the name of the game. They come equipped with an array of customizable settings, allowing users to select stitch styles, lengths, and widths with just a few taps on a digital display. This level of control ensures that even the most complex sewing projects can be completed with unmatched accuracy. Digital machines cost about $2,000 or more. The ability of digital sewing machines to store and recall complex patterns and designs is one of their distinguishing qualities. For those who routinely work on projects requiring intricate or repeated stitching, this is a game changer. The machine can replicate the same pattern exactly at the push of a button, assuring consistency and uniformity throughout the job. Additionally, digital sewing machines frequently have tutorials and guides integrated right into the machine, making them usable by sewers of all ability levels. Pottery, a craft dating back thousands of years, has evolved significantly with the advent of modern technology, and pottery machines have played a pivotal role in this transformation. These remarkable devices have revolutionized the way potters create their art, making the process more efficient and precise. Pottery machines come in various forms, each serving a unique purpose in the pottery-making journey. Throwing wheels, for instance, are the workhorses of any pottery studio. These motorized devices allow potters to shape clay with exceptional precision and speed, ensuring that each piece is consistent and well-crafted. The mesmerizing dance of the spinning wheel beneath skilled hands is not only a testament to the potter's artistry, but also to the capabilities of modern machinery. Beyond throwing wheels, other machines like kilns, which provide controlled heating and cooling, play a crucial role in transforming raw clay into beautiful, durable ceramics. Pottery machines average $3,500 or more. In a world where personalization and uniqueness are cherished more than ever, the concept of balloon printing has taken celebration and branding to a whole new level. Balloon printers are turning ordinary latex and foil balloons into customized canvases that reflect individual personalities, brand identities, and special occasions. With this innovative technology, the boundaries of creativity are expanding, allowing for intricate designs, vibrant colors, and even photographic imagery to be intricately imprinted onto balloons. Whether it's a birthday bash, a corporate event, or a grand opening, balloon printing adds that extra touch of charm and memorability that standard balloons can't quite achieve. Balloon printing businesses have emerged as creative powerhouses, transforming events into unforgettable experiences and marketing efforts into impactful visual displays. Entrepreneurs in this domain are not only providing customers with a tangible way to make their celebrations stand out, but are also offering brands an eye-catching promotional tool. Imagine a company logo soaring high at a trade show or a product launch, printed onto a fleet of colorful balloons that capture attention and evoke curiosity. The average cost of a balloon printer is about $2,500. The production of packaging has become increasingly vital in the era of booming online sales. With the rapid growth of e-commerce, the demand for unique and tailored packaging solutions has surged. This industry represents a vast and continually expanding market. To cater to this demand, entrepreneurs are turning to CNC, also known as computer numerical control, cutters, which have become indispensable tools. These precision machines are capable of efficiently cutting packaging materials, ensuring the creation of customized boxes that perfectly fit the products they encase. Whether it's for hamburgers from a local eatery or elegantly wrapped gift boxes for special occasions, CNC cutters empower businesses to craft packaging that not only protects but also enhances the overall presentation of their products. The initial investment in a high-quality CNC machine, starting at $10,000, proves to be a worthwhile endeavor as it enables businesses to meet the unique packaging requirements of a diverse range of products, thereby staying competitive in the online marketplace. The concept of venturing into the production of green hedges is an intriguing and eco-friendly business opportunity that can be efficiently managed even within a limited space. These lush green fences offer a remarkable combination of durability, affordability, and aesthetic appeal. To embark on this venture, the primary requirement is a specialized machine that applies PVC film onto wire, creating the appearance of a natural grass fence. The initial investment in such a machine can begin at $4,000, making it an accessible option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Once the PVC-coated wire is produced, it can be seamlessly integrated into various mesh weaving machines, readily available in the market. This ensures that the production process can be scaled up efficiently to meet growing demand. Green hedges have gained popularity as an eco-conscious alternative to traditional fencing solutions. Not only are they visually appealing, but they also offer a practical and low-cost solution for property boundaries, gardens, and landscaping projects. The use of PVC film on wire ensures that these hedges remain vibrant and lifelike while withstanding the test of time and adverse weather conditions. With a growing emphasis on sustainable and green living, the market for green hedges is on the rise. Entrepreneurs in this niche can tap into this trend, offering both residential and commercial customers an environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing fencing option. Paper product manufacturing is a promising small-scale venture that offers both environmental sustainability and creative expression. Utilizing recycled materials and innovative designs, entrepreneurs can craft a wide range of products, including notebooks, greeting cards, stationery, and packaging materials. The initial investment required for starting a paper product manufacturing business is relatively low, with costs ranging from $5,000 to $20,000, depending on the scale and complexity of the operation. This budget covers essential equipment like paper cutting machines, printing tools, and supplies such as eco-friendly inks and recycled paper stock. A significant benefit of engaging in paper product manufacturing lies in its remarkable adaptability and the creative possibilities it offers. Entrepreneurs have the opportunity to align with the growing trend of eco-conscious consumers by procuring recycled materials and highlighting sustainable production methods. Furthermore, the customizable nature of paper products opens doors for businesses to tailor their offerings to specific markets, whether it's crafting personalized wedding stationery or designing branded packaging solutions for small enterprises. This adaptability not only enhances market appeal, but also fosters an environment of innovation and customer-focused solutions within the industry. Handcrafted jewelry represents a thriving small manufacturing business idea that can be launched with relatively low initial capital. For those with a passion for design and a keen eye for detail, creating unique jewelry pieces can be a lucrative venture. The startup costs for a handcrafted jewelry business typically range from $500 to $2,000, depending on factors like the materials used and the scale of production. Essential expenses may include purchasing gemstones, metals, tools, and packaging materials. The opportunity to target specific customers and charge premium pricing for bespoke items is one of the main benefits of handcrafted jewelry beyond low initial costs. Jewelry designers can connect with clients looking for one-of-a-kind things and develop a devoted audience by using innovative marketing techniques and an internet presence. This not only enables a speedier return on investment, but it also creates the possibility of substantial profit margins. Thank you for watching our video on small business ideas that require less capital but can make you millions. We hope you found the information insightful and useful. If you enjoyed the content, we would appreciate your support by leaving a comment, giving the video a like, and subscribing to the new Africa Wealth channel. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos in the future.